Hey, hi pilots, we're here right now at Exit 55 and today we're gonna fly the German stuka, the tongue buster by the Luftwaffe, and then we have 20cc, right? 20cc, 20cc, 35cc DLE RA, and the airframe kit is the stuka from Luftwaffe. Luftwaffe. Hold on. We're gonna get it a new nice film. There you go. Take off! Okay. There you go, guys. So this has been Captain One. We're gonna make it There you go. Okay, ready? There you go, guys. So, maiden flight. Sweet! That is the bomber, the German bomber stuka. And there you go, Captain Iso is here. So yeah, it's a little bit fast. Welcome back, Captain Khaled. It's been a long time. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. Yeah, very good. Yeah, doing great. Yeah.
I have a job for you.
Okay. There you go. It flies good. It flies great. And how much you bought this one, Captain Swan? What? How much is it? How much total? No, I will not record. I will not in the recording. No. How much you got this one? All 1600. Cheap, very cheap. Yeah, very nice. Captain Izo, how are you? We're filming the maiden flight. This is the maiden flight right now. Yeah, Captain Izo is here. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. And we're gonna have a fun, you know. Not too close, man. Not too close. That's why I'm moving away. Okay, very good. All right, pilots. That's the maiden flight of the 35cc DLE. The airframe kit is the German Air Force stuka, the tank buster. He's a tank buster. The stuka, right? Yeah. It's a stuka. It's a stuka tank buster. From German Air Force. There we go. Oh goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Do that again, and I'm gonna move here, okay? Okay, do that again. Go guys, that's Captain Khaled, Captain Abdullah, and Captain Ahmed over there. So right now the dive bomber is getting crazy, berserk bomber. The stuka. There you go, another low pass. Okay, so fun. I'm filming it. Okay, guys, low pass of the 35cc stuka. There you go. Excellent, perfect. Do that again. Yeah. There you go. Woohoo! We're having fun here in Exit 55. For those of you out there who missed the fun flight today, so yeah, you missed half of your life. There you go. Some sports cars are there, the Ferrari, and then the Lamborghini. There you go. Again, another low pass. Mr. Abdullah, low pass, huh? Low pass. There you go. It's very, very low. Alright. Woohoo! Okay, landing. So the moment of truth. This is the first landing of his life. We're gonna see if it's a disaster or not. We're gonna get it on film.
I'm just worried about the car.
No, they're cool. They're I think Germans. Okay, landing.
Watch out!
Okay, wait. Because they don't mind, they'll be hit by that. I said, it's okay, that will be. I said, yeah, no problem. British, Americans, and one Arabic. So yeah, I think there you go. So it's full charge. I told you, no, a few minutes.
It's not full charge.
But at least this battery.
It's
yeah.
Only 7.8.
Okay.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Okay, landing now. So moment of truth. We're gonna get it on film. There you go, guys. Approaching for 35cc RA. The stuka bomber. The tank
Slow down.
buster. There we go. Right up. Abort, abort. Oh goodness gracious, great balls of fire. There you go. That was a bad landing. But I'm gonna cut this one. I will edit it because that was a bad dive landing, mate. There you go, guys. So that's the fun fly. Exit 55. The fun fly of the stuka, the juice stuka bomber. There you go. Okay, that was the maiden.
Vlog mode.
Which one?
You look like you're in vlog mode.
No, we're just filming our flight, so you know, we're gonna have a remembrance. Maiden flight mostly, yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Okay. So yeah, that was the mishaps of the landing, and yeah, we're gonna see the damage of the plane. There you go. Not much. Okay, I'm gonna run to the rescue. Okay, give me the radio. There you go. So, okay, the props is okay, and the engine is intact, and I think there's no broken wings or you know. Okay, there you go. It's not bad. Okay, it's gonna be glued.
It's only this one.
Okay, only that. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. No, the important thing is the wing. So
Don't turn. You turn.
you turn.
No, I didn't turn.
No, you turn, man.
No.
Yeah, you turn.
It came down.
It came down.
Very
Okay.
slow.
It was turning.
Very slow.
But you were
No,
turning.
I went straight.
Yeah, because of the type of this wing, it's supposed to stall on the curve. That's normal.
Man, I didn't turn. I want to go straight up.
It was turning.
No, it turned
No,
up.
maybe
It's
it
heavy.
wasn't.
It's heavy, but it's very slow, no?
There's no damage in the wings, which is good news, and plus the body, it's still okay. So yeah, the props, it's even.
Almost fast.
Yeah, I noticed. Yeah,
Down.
yeah. It's fast approach. Yeah.
But why it's going in front? Why it's going front? When you leave the tail, it drops. Did you remove the battery or something? No, remove
But
your hand.
it's a short now. That's why.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Can we carry both? No. Instead of okay, gonna turn off.
the